Now this is what I have done for my poster. Now poster is the symbolic representation of the single idea. The poster are meant to provide information among the learners regarding the important concept. This is charts. A chart is a diagrammatic representation of a system, process, and historical sequence of the event. Now this chart, this is to compare and contrast. Now the title or the head is the figure of speech, and this one of the example of figure of speech, hyperbole, oxymoron, metaphor, and personification. Wherein also it provides the definition of the figure of speech and of course the example. What I have here is the map. It is a political map. Maps are regarded as useful tools in every discipline, and especially social science. It is important for learning geographical, historical, and economic concepts. Next materials is the textbook. Now, the textbooks are the methods of imparting basic knowledge to the students in terms of the concepts. These are written by the authors for the learners to help them learn new things. Now, the books that are especially written by the authors for learning a particular course is known as a textbook. So this is... Now, this PPT, it is entitled Pyramos and Thisbe, Hero and Heroine of Babylonian Love Story. So, this. So, in PPT, what is the importance and use? So, PowerPoint slide can be reused and can be used in classroom teaching as well as individualized study. So PowerPoint slides, when one making use of PowerPoint slides, there are certain aspects that need to be taken into consideration. These are the appropriateness, accurateness, and of course the font size of the PowerPoint you have made, the legibility and the comprehensibility. Thus, the slides should be comprehensible to the learners. When slides are prepared, it is vital to ensure that a simple language is used which may be understandable to the learners in a satisfactory manner. So that is my example of PPT that I have made. Thank you. So the next materials are the audio and video elements. So since I don't have computer, I will just use the cell phone. So this is it. So in this you can off mic or you can off the camera. So that's it. So if I rejoin the meeting, that's it. Plus join the meeting. So from here, you can share screen and you can discuss to your students, you can present your PPT and others. So this is a example of non-projected 3-dimensional wherein we use internet and the computer. Now I use cell phone. If we say non-projected 2-dimensional, meaning it is used like blackboard writing, drawing, posters, like that. So this is one of the examples of audio and video elements. Materials is the models. So model is the recognizable imitation of real thing or as abstracting magnetic. So since we don't have globe nga, one of the example of working models. So what I have here is the stationary or non-working models. So this is the map. This is the map. Now, if we took a look, the model of the eye is enlarged to allow all the details to be seen clearly and easily. So the benefits of models are they are used to simplify complicated objects, reduce large objects to conveniently observable the size. So if you enlarge this map, you can see what is the places written in Africa, in Asia, or Russia. Next are the computers. The computers have been advantageous to students as well, especially in implementing assignments and projects, understanding academic concepts, and prepare themselves well for tests and competitions. So, a computer can use to record, analyze, and establish effective communication terms with students. Another materials is overhead projector. Overhead projector helps in displaying visual materials as projection on the screen. It is better than using chalkboards as it enables the teachers to talk about and show visual at the same time. The other reading materials are referred to articles, documents, reports, assignments, projects, newspapers, or magazines. Now what I have is the project. So this is entitled The Future of Contraception, and this project is given to Miss Christine Dignos. So this is it. So it is an integral job duty of the educators to get engaged in reading to acquire knowledge in terms of other areas as well. So this entitled The Future of Contraception. So I have here the content. I have a lot of content here. Like that. I made this one. And there's a lot. Charan! So that's it. Thank you.